Hello and welcome back to the series on Podia. This video is a little bit out of turn because Podia has just launched a new update. So now you can create a certificate right inside Podia, which you can issue to anyone who completes your online course. Now this feature was not directly present, but you could do a few tips and tricks to provide a certificate using Zapier links and other modes like that. However, Podia has gone ahead and created an option for issuing certificates right inside Podia itself. Now the options for certificate is a bit limited right now, but this is a great new feature to have. So let's see how it can be done inside Podia. So right now I'm inside my products page and I'll find one of the online courses. So let me check, say, this online course. Inside this, first of all, you'll have to go inside the edit option to create a new certificate. I'll just click on edit. You'll have to go inside details. Inside details, if you move down, now you have an option of certificate as well. So this option was not available previously. Only the comment visibility option was available. Now you can provide certificates for this course, or you can just have it checked off as well. So let's check it on and try to preview how it looks right now. I did make a few changes, but we'll do that as we go along. So on the top, we have this logo, we have some text, we have the name of the student, and we have the name of the course as well. At the bottom, we have a unique code through which you can check, or someone who would want to check the authenticity of the certificate can come back and check it. It also contains the date of completion of your course, and you can of course change a lot of things right here. Now currently Podia comes with just one certificate template. They're probably working on a few more options to choose from, but this is good enough to start off with. Giving a certificate at the end provides some kind of an accomplishment to anyone who's taking your online course. Although this is a very small thing to have, but this is a great way of creating a community, creating some kind of brand awareness, creating some kind of trust and achievement in the mind of anyone who takes up your course and finishes it at the end. So let's go back and let's edit it. So inside edit, we have a few options to choose from. First, at the top, you can see we have a logo option. So if I just click to remove this file and choose some other file, I'll just use this favicon for now. So this is going to be my logo, which will be shown at the top. So right now, if you can see, this is the entire logo which is shown. You can also change this text, certificate of completion. So this is the text right here. You can change the subtitle as well. This certificate is awarded to. So this is the text right here. The certificate is awarded to. The name is coming by default from the name details of the person who has joined your online course. So that is not an option to choose from. Finally, at the bottom, we have for successfully completing the online course. So this is for successfully completing the online course. And if you want to change the name of your course, Structural Consultancy Black Box, or if you can change this course to say Stat Expert, you can do that right here. Again, at the bottom, we have two more options of completion date as well as a unique certificate serial number. So at the bottom corner, you can see we have a date. So this is the date when your student has completed the online course. And on the right side, we have a serial number. So you can turn them on and off if you want. So I'll just keep these options on. Finally, we have an option of email as well. So you can send an email notification to anyone who has completed your course. By default, it is checked off. You can check it on. And you can see we have some text as well. Congratulations on completing the course. So this is the course name which you put in the start of the course. It takes up by default and it gives an option of congratulations on completing the course. Click on the link below to view your certificate. So this is a great way of doing it. You can just check this link and almost all the options filled are good for me right at the default settings. So with all these changes made, I'll simply click on Save Changes. And if I go inside the certificate again and preview it once more, you can see the logo has changed. So I'll just compare it with the previous one. So this was the logo. Right now the logo has changed. The certificate is awarded to, I did not change most of the things right here, but at the end you can see right now it says Stat Expert. Previously it said the entire thing. And these are of course dummy figures. These will be changed as per the student. So this is a great new feature from Podia. A great new update, which we all were looking for in the online course creation community. And once again, one of the reasons why I love Podia so much and I keep recommending Podia to anyone who is looking for creating an online course. If you haven't checked out Podia till now, go ahead and subscribe to Podia if you can. The link to Podia is down in the description below. Also, if you're not subscribed to this channel, do hit that subscribe button as well as the notification bell. Finally, if you like the video, please hit that like button. It really helps with the YouTube algorithm. Thank you for watching this video, and I'll see you on the next one.